What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an analysis of BCRX stock. First of all, let me give you a brief summary about this company. BioCryst Pharmaceuticals designs and develops novel oral and small molecule medicines. Its drug candidates include Berotralstat, BCRX 9930, BCRX 9250, RAPIVAB, ALPIVAB, RAPIACTA, PERAMIFLU, Galidesivir and Mundesine. It was the most difficult part for me as a non-native speaker. Nevertheless, here is some data. Its total market cap for now $1.73 billion. It's not a small company. And here is some institutional investors. I want to share you this information. Top 10 owners of BioCryst Pharmaceuticals among institutional investors. So, as you can see, majority of the list are still buying, and they have a huge stake. As you can see here, they own more than 71%, and it is a greater percentage that than is typical for companies in biotechnology industry. And this means a lot of institutionals believe in this company, and as you can see here, mutual funds also, majority of them are in buying mode, and you can see Vanguard, Fidelity, iShares, SPDR, and let me show you this one, Citadel Advisors, the famous Citadel. So that's why I think despite this percentage of 17.53 of shares shorted, I think we won't have any bearish signs from the fundamental standpoint. And on top of that, let me give you some latest information about this company. The company announced that FDA approved a supplemental new drug application, RAPIVAB, extending its use in patients aged 6 months and older. With new authorization, RAPIVAB is now approved in the US for the treatment of acute uncomplicated influenza in patients 6 months and older who have been symptomatic for no more than 2 days. Earlier, it was approved only for patients aged 2 years and above. So, this news, I think, drastically increases its market share. I mean, company's market share. Nothing new approval for RAPIVAB in the infant population. The chief medical officer of BioCryst said, these patients can be among those at greatest risk for the severe outcomes, and RAPIVAB is an important antiviral with proven benefits. The company said that the safety profile of RAPIVAB in patients 6 months to 17 years of age was consistent with those observed in adults. A few days ago, BioCryst received retail investor attention after being called the most undervalued stock in the market by Redditor Wall Street Bets. So that's why we can see this price surge at the 1st of February, and we are now hovering down at the level of around $10. So let me show you one more thing. Here is we are on a BioCryst website, and here is their pipeline. As you can see, Orladeyo is their leading drug, and they are approved on United States and Japan, and they are about to approve in European Union. And as you can see here, they have so many different drugs as well on different stages, on phase 2, phase 3, phase 1, and they have another drug that has been approved for the usage. And that's why I think this company has a strong upside potential. Before we jump into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. In this case, you won't miss my next video. So, let's begin with the weekly time frame, and let me show you some support and resistances. As you can see here, it is a clear support/resistance, and another one in here, and another one in here. And here is my Elliott wave breakdown. Here is, we are on a retracement of the third wave, so we are on the fourth wave basically. And here is the greater scale. Let me show you. Here it is. But I don't need it for now, because we have to make one step at a time. And that's why let me turn it off and show you in a closer time frame this structure. So here's our supports, and as you can see here we have basically region of support and resistances. We can lower it down. We can have something like this with the support and resistance zone. So we can bounce back from this point, and even from this point we have the same situation. And here is the first wave, the top of the first wave, and if the price hit this price point, we can invalidate all the count, and we have to revise all the count and make something new. But for now we have these supports. Let me show you one more thing. Here is the third wave, and we have a retracement tool. I put it at the bottom of the third wave, and the second point was at the top of the third wave. And as you can see here, we have a strong confluence zone on 0.382 region, and from this region we've just bounced back. And another confluence region is golden pocket. It is a 0.5 region, and it is a range between 0.618 and 0.65 region. So, and for now let me show you some more information about resistances. Here we can have a clear resistance. Let me show you. Here is one. Let me make it red, and we can have here another one, and it's basically have several points, 1, 2, 3 points of resistance. It is a strong resistance. Then it will be somewhere here at the top of this wave. And let me show you on our price movement. So we've hit this resistance and bounce back from it now. Let me again switch to daily chart. We basically hit it and bounce back, and now hovering right around $10 mark. And then here is the other resistances. So let me show you the targets. I don't need these supports for now. Let me clean up the chart a little bit. I don't even need this one. And I think that it's a great company to invest your money in, and you can accumulate your position across these levels, 0.382, 0.5, and the most probable zone of trending reversal is golden pocket in here. And you have two options. You can buy it here, and then if price goes down, just sell it and accumulate on a lower point. If price goes down, just sell it and accumulate lower point. But you can have, you can make just a ladder down, and your average price will be around 0.5, I think 0.5 region. And let me show you some information about target points. So here is the first point of the wave, and I'll put first point of Fibonacci extension tool, second one at the top of the wave. And for now we have the lowest point of the wave in here. Here is our lowest point, and for now this is our fourth wave. I think we can go lower at this region, but if you do your own due diligence and you believe in this company, you can start to accumulate from this point. And according to this analysis, we will have a target price right around 0.786 region, and as you can see here we have a strong confluence zone with the resistance that I mentioned before, and here is our first target and here is our second target. If we don't break this lower point, if we break it, then we will have some different targets. We will basically we will accumulate and we will lower our average price, and we will have target right here, first one and second one. So let's be conservative. Let me show you this setup, and let's assume that we hit 0.5 region and your average price is around $8.43. Your stop loss might be a little bit lower, right under the 0.5 region, or you can accumulate down just in case and have around 20% of stop loss. In this case, your target price in this case your target price will be around 90% for the first target and around 110% for the second target. So I think that's it for now. Just do your own due diligence, and if you want to invest in this company, invest. And with that being said, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you next time, guys. Bye.